Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will start this pattern and this is a reverse rectangle triangle pattern, and in this pattern we paint a number 1 to 15. So we used a variable k and initialized to 1 because in first row the first number will point 1, and we use nested for loop to understand this pattern. So firstly we create outer for loop and we take 5 as lower limit, 0 as upper limit and -1 as step value, and inside this outer for loop we create another for loop that is called inner for loop, and in inner for loop we initialize 1 as lower limit and I plus 1 as upper limit, and inside this inner for loop we point the variable k, and after this we increment k equals to k plus 1, means we increment k variable value plus 1, and outside this inner for loop we used empty print function for cursor to the next line. When completing each row, cursor will move to the next line. So I hope you understand that how to understand and learn this pattern, and this is the easiest way to draw this pattern. When you execute this program, we type the command python space filename.py. So the above output is shown and as is shown as below. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Dipanshi, and thanks for watching. If you have any concern or any query related to this pattern, you can text me in the comment section, and I hope you will solve
I
them.
know one.